Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a real gem for all you DIY enthusiasts and craftsmen out there. We're going to dive deep into what makes the Rolin Vise Bench Vise 4-1/2 inch with 240-degree swivel base the best bench vise available in the market. So, stay tuned for the next 10 minutes as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for your workshop. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Rolin Vise Bench Vise. As you can see, it's a 4-1/2 inch vise with a 240-degree swivel base. This vise is brought to you by Rolin, a trusted brand known for its quality in the world of work-holding devices. With a 4.5-star rating and over 404 reviews on Amazon, it's no wonder this is an Amazon's Choice product. Now, what sets this vise apart from the competition? First, it's made of durable cast iron, ensuring it can withstand the toughest tasks. The jaw width is 4.5 inches, with a throat depth of 3 inches and a max opening of 4.3 inches. These specs make it ideal for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of the Rolin Vise is its easy installation. Its light structure makes it a perfect fit for any home workshop. You'll have no trouble installing and dismantling it as needed, thanks to its improved base design that reduces lateral movement. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the 240-degree swivel base. This design allows you to lock it at any angle within 240 degrees, making your operations and positioning simpler and more flexible than ever before. Whether you're into woodworking, metalworking, sanding, gluing, sawing, or any other tasks, this vise has you covered. Its professional function is designed to meet all your needs. Another impressive feature is the large anvil operation area, measuring 1.93 by 1.97 inches. This strong iron material offers a smooth and flat surface, providing a large operation area for various striking requirements, including sawing, drilling, and gluing assistance. But that's not all. This vise also comes with built-in pipe jaws that can hold various small pipes and tubes, with diameters ranging from 0.6 inches to 1.85 inches. This multi-jaw function adds to its versatility. Speaking of strength, the Rolin Vise boasts a maximum clamping force of 7,000 kilonewtons, ensuring your workpieces stay securely in place, no matter how demanding the task. If you're interested in getting your hands on the best bench vise on the market, you can find the Rolin Vise Bench Vise 4-1/2 inch on Amazon.com. It's priced at just $37.99, and there's even a 5% coupon available for extra savings. Please note that this item cannot be shipped to all locations, so make sure to check the delivery options. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at some similar items to consider. You can find Amazon's Choice for bench clamps, as well as various vise options that might suit your needs. And there you have it, folks. The Rolin Vise Bench Vise 4-1/2 inch with 240-degree swivel base, a true game-changer for your workshop. With its durability, versatility, and ease of use, it's no wonder it's Amazon's choice in the bench clamp category. Don't miss out on this fantastic tool. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy crafting!